Hello everyone, today we are going to cook stir-fried bean sprouts.
So what are the ingredients?
The ingredient we have bean sprout, carrot, tofu, green onions, chili sauce, garlic chive, garlic, soy sauce, and salt.
Why there is no sugar here?
Because I don't like it,
Okay.
and it's unhealthy too.
So what are we going to do next?
We need to turn on fire. After the wok is hot, we can put water. Can you pass me? Instead of oil, we use water because it is healthy. Can you pass me garlic? So we put the garlic in the water and stir it until the garlic is fragrant. So now the garlic is fragrant, we put carrot. Can you pass me a little bit of water?
Sure. So we have to cook the carrot until it's soft, right?
Yes, carrot is hard than other vegetable.
Okay.
So after the carrots get a little bit soft, we will put garlic chive and fry it to make it mix together. We can also add green onions.
Smells so good.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah, sure.
So now the vegetable is mixed and we can put the ingredient like soy sauce, and then we put salt, and now we are going to add chili sauce. And then we fry it again. So now we are going to add tofu. And then we add bean sprout. Can you pass me another one? Thank you. We will make it mix together equally. So now the vegetables are mixed together and we will wait until it's soft. So it's going to take time, maybe 2 minutes to make it soft. And we can continue frying. So now it is cooked and we are going to put it in the plate.
Smells so good.
Yeah, I like it. That's why I cook it. So here is our stir-fried bean sprouts.
Oh, smells so good.
So
I
yummy.
can't wait to eat it.
Thank you.